Okay, welcome back to part two. Okay, so we're going to go over today's assignment. And before we do, I'm going to show you an animal real quick. Um, okay, name of this animal is a meerkat. Okay, let's see a picture of a meerkat. Let me see if I can show you another one. Okay, some of you may know what a meerkat is, some of you may not. There's one more. Okay, so you're probably wondering, why am I showing you the picture of a meerkat? Here's why. Because the graph you are going to be using for your assignment today is about meerkats. So you are going to use this second graph for your assignment. This chart measures the height of meerkats as they grow. Okay, so this is our x-axis. You see our x-axis represents the age in months. So this is 0 months. This is when they're 2 months old, 4 months old, 6 months old, 8 months old, 10 months old, 12 months, and going all the way up to 20 months old. And on the y-axis, this is how tall, this is their height in inches. So this is when they're 2 inches, 4 inches tall, 6 inches tall, 8 inches tall, 10 inches, 12 inches, 4 inches, all the way up to 22 inches. This is your y-axis. So one more time. Your x-axis tells the age in months. The y-axis tells the height in inches. Okay. Now, what these letters represents their height. So, A represents their height when in the 0 year. B represents their height in 2 months. This is their height in 4 months. So this is how tall they are in 4 months. This is how tall they are in 6 months. This is how tall they are in 8 months, 10 months, going all the way up to 20 months. Now, you also notice something else. You'll notice that that the inches, the height in inches and the age are all in twos. They're all skip count by twos. Okay. So that means when you look at these, some of them are right on the line, like letter C and letter E. Some of them are directly on the even numbers. But if you look at them, some are in the middle. They're not on any particular line. So you have to think, what goes between 2 and 4? Since A is directly between 2 and 4, what number is between 2 and 4? So imagine like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is directly between 2 and 4, so that means A is be on the 3 of the y-axis. Okay, so same thing when you look in here. What number goes between 4 and 6? Or look at this number here. What goes between 6 and 8? When you look at letter D. Okay, so one more time. These represents the height. This represents the height for each particular month. And I'm going to hold this up just like this for a minute. So when you, once again, you're going to use this when you do your assignment. So that means you're going to have to pause the screen when you're doing this assignment. So that's all you do. Just pause the screen. One more look. Try to, so everybody can see exactly where the numbers fall. Okay, there we go. All right. Like I said, just come back, just play it back and just pause it on that place. Just pause it on that screen. Okay, so here's your assignment tonight. So, number patterns in the coordinate planes. So what you're going to do is this. A through K represents the height. Remember, all of these have letters, so pay attention to the letters. So, when you look at letter A, we'll do the first one together. So let's look for A. Let's see what the coordinates are for A. The coordinates are for A. Okay, where do we always start? Remember, when we look, we always start with the x-axis, then we go with the y-axis. Where's the x-axis? The x-axis is right here. Where does A fall on the x-axis? It falls at 0. So, hold on 1 minute. We type in 0. And where is it fall on the y-axis? Where's the y-axis? Y-axis is right here. Falls on the axis between 2 and 4. What number is between 2 and 4? 3. So on the y-axis, we're going to write 3. So that is the coordinates for A. A is at 0 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis. Now, for the age, where does it fall on the x? Remember, first number in the coordinates is the x. That's 0, so we're going to type 0. Where does it fall on, what is the height? Height represents y, right? Height, y is the second number. So what's the second number? 3. So move it over there, and that makes 3. So everybody see what we did? For each letter, look at the write the coordinates, type the age, type the height. Okay. So you're going to do all letters. And then after that, you're going to answer, after you fill this out, answer the last 4 questions, and that will be it. So once again, if you have any questions, just contact me on Google Classroom or Class Dojo. Everybody stay safe, stay well, and you all have a good day. Oh, wait a minute, did I forget anything? Let me see. Oh, and this is the attendance code. So put this in on the, type this right where the date is in the red box. Okay. All right. I will see you all on Monday, and you all have a good day.